Peter here, just a quick update on the QuickBooks POS discontinuation news. Question: what if customers want to keep using QuickBooks Point of Sale? Existing POS 19 customers can still use QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale software, but the product will no longer be supported by Intuit, and this means that they will no longer receive security patch updates, and payments and connected services will be discontinued. I am still recommending either of these two courses of action. Click on the link to explore whether Shopify POS is not a good fit for you, check the box off, or maybe it is. Or you can follow my other link there and watch the third-party integrated card processor to see how easy that is to use and how it works. And this would allow you to get a few more years out of your QuickBooks POS software.